today I am going to make Tricolor 3 recipes. Yeah, today I am going to give my mother one day rest. Today I am going to tell you some 3 Tricolor recipes for Independence Day. And you know now, Independence Day is coming at 15 August 2021. Okay, so let's start. There is one rule that we have to take parents' guidance because it has cutting and baking also. So you have to take the guidance of parents. My first recipe is Tricolor Lollipop. Healthy one. Yeah, let's get started. My second recipe is yummy and delicious Tricolor pizza. And that is very easy. Let's get started. Now my third recipe is very easy and very delicious. You know now that I also love healthy yogurt and you also love yogurt. You know now the platter is not complete without a sweet dish. Let's get started. I think you will try this recipes, tasty recipes, tricolor recipes, healthy recipes, tasty recipes, tempting recipes. You are going to love it and you are going to surprise your parents at 15 August. Bye bye. You should try. Yum yum. And Jai Hind.